Welcome to the Python tutorial series. In this lesson, we'll write your first Python program. Let's get started with Python. Python comes with an interactive shell called the REPL. REPL stands for Read, Evaluate, Print, Loop. It's perfect for testing code quickly. Let's open the Python REPL. Type Python 3 and press Enter. You'll see the Python prompt with 3 arrows. Now type print, then hello world in quotes. Press Enter, and Python displays our message. Type exit to leave the REPL. For real programs, we save code in files. Python files use the .py extension. Let's create our first Python file. We'll create a file called hello.py. Open it in your editor. The print function outputs text to the console. Strings go inside quotes. We can add multiple print statements. Save the file. Now run it with Python 3 hello.py. Both messages appear in order. Python also works as a powerful calculator. Let's try some math operations. Back in the REPL, we can do math directly. Addition and subtraction work as expected. Multiplication uses the asterisk. Division uses the /. Double asterisk is for exponents. Python handles all of this naturally. Let's recap what we learned. Python is beginner-friendly and powerful. The REPL lets you run code interactively. Save code in .py files to run later. Print outputs text to the console. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notified of new lessons. See you in the next one.